No, violence. Violence.
Okay. Please leave it. Regarding the water, whatever we are putting the timings now, what we are displayed, it will be 100%. It will be followed till the water resource increased. One moment. Please let me complete, sir. After that, you can ask. Is it correct, Mr. Mandava? Yes, is this water that ours can be, it has to be exactly followed. Yes. It can be done or not?
Done.
Done. Okay.
One problem.
Please.
Whatever quality of water.
I will explain the problem here.
That is a problem.
When Rambabu said, this is a very clear statement. When there is a problem, suppose 6 to 10, 6 to 9 we are releasing water. It is a statement from committee. If there is a problem, because 5 lakh may start 6 lakh. Please don't talk. First day we got him security guard. What's the first thing we have to take? BR should be responsible. BR should be responsible for that block. Not Shashanka. Your block representative should take care.
Can we decide one person talk, please?
Please.
One conversation.
See, first.